Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Xbox 360 controller type, wired or wireless with a USB receiver, because drivers differ. Next, make sure Windows 11 has recent updates. This prevents driver conflicts. Now, plug the wired controller into a USB 2, 0/3, 0 port, or insert the wireless receiver and press the sync buttons. Once done, Windows will search for drivers. If it stalls, prepare the official Microsoft Xbox 360 driver file so you can install it manually. You open Device Manager and locate the controller under Other Devices or Xbox 360 peripherals when automatic install fails. Right-click, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer and point to the Microsoft driver folder you prepared. Accept prompts for unsigned or legacy drivers if they appear. Once installed, go to Control Panel Devices and Printer's right-click Controller Game Controller Settings to test inputs and recalibrate axes. This step ensures precise movement and button mapping in games. You finish by launching a game or Steam Big Picture to confirm button mapping and vibration. Make adjustments there if needed. If the controller still misbehaves, swap batteries or recharge, repair the wireless receiver, and try another USB port or cable to rule out hardware faults. If nothing changes, reinstall the Xbox 360 drivers, reboot Windows 11, and test on a different PC. This single troubleshooting sequence often isolates driver versus hardware issues and gets you back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.